Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you. Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, I got some of this. Some Little Couples dry noodles from Taiwan. They sent me these, thank you very much. These are their onion variety. And that sounds really good. So let's crack them open and see how they are. Alright. Okay. So, wow, I'm getting a whiff of onion as I open these. Oh, cool. So here's the packaging with the Little Couple. I met these guys in Taipei at a food show a couple years ago. Nice folks. Making noodles. So yeah, cool. So these are Taiwanese dry noodles, as you can see here. They're in a block. Drop them in some boiling water. It's 5 to 6 minutes. Today I'm figuring, well, I'll just do 6. And this is an onion flavored variety. It comes with this. Let me crack it open. I believe this may be a sachet of sachets. Come on. So how's everybody's day going? Mine's going pretty good. I'm happy to report. I'm watching. Don't you even think of boiling over. So it's Thursday, and man, I'm so bad at these. It's Thursday, and at the library they have special story time. So my little girl Mimi and I went to the library after our long walk, and she did a really good job at story time today. I'm really proud. She didn't kill anybody. That's a good thing. I didn't think she would, but I thought she would probably be a little more less well behaved, and she did. She made me proud. So that's cool. Yeah, it is only one sachet. So, yeah, I like this. That's cool. Nice frosted packaging. Are they for? But yeah, it's a good day. It's a cloudy day. It was raining a little bit here and there. Not enough to get us soaked during our walk, but enough to make us go, it's yucky weather. So, I need Rotato for this. He hangs out in my son's old lunch bag these days. This is it's a he, I guess. I never really made that official in any way, but I guess Rotato is a male rotating disc. Anyways, Yeah, it's windy, it's rainy, it's nasty outside, and I thought, okay, onion noodles from Taiwan. That sounds absolutely wonderful. I'll have to look and see what the nutrition facts are. That shouldn't be hard at all. It says looks like about 440 calories. That's really not bad. So yeah, I'll have to give that a try. Momentarily, we've got 2.25 minutes left. I've just been thinking lately, man, I want to get back to Taiwan. I miss it so much. Taiwan is just really fascinating. The people are really nice. The weather, I don't know. I could go for some really, really, really humid weather right now. Especially if it was warm. I remember being there, November of 2017, I think, and it was like the weather we have here in spring. It was really, really nice, and everybody's running around like newspapers over their heads. It's like a light mist. It's like, really? This is great. I'm loving it. But now I'd probably be cold too because I lost a lot of weight. But yeah, 40 degrees didn't used to faze me. Now I'm like, ooh. Minute, and that's it. 1 minute left, and we'll be draining and stirring in the oil for our little couple's onion noodles. I guess it's not an oil. It's like an oily paste. I'm curious about this. It feels like it's got a lot of, it's kind of chunky. That's rad. Remember to knead your sachets. They need to be kneaded. I'm curious if Mimi will like this. I'm going to let her try today. And I've got a couple things to add in. I think that'll be good. Yes, sir. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Man, that smells good. Definitely very oniony. I like that. That is truth in advertising, folks. It is definitely onion flavor. Alright. Okay, let's make sure you can see what's going on here. There you go. So here you can see the stuff. And you just stir it in. Man, that smells good. I'm about it. Definitely about it. My wife is sending me messages. Let's see what she has to say. But first, I gotta give this a try and then garnish it up. So let's give this a taste. Really nice fat noodles going on here. Cheers. Mmm. That's good. That's really good. It's got a nice onion hit to it, and I'm getting like this weird sweetness. I wonder if Mimi will like this. She might. Mmm. Awesome. Loving it. Okay. So, what am I going to do to these? Well, first, believe it or not, I'm going to put them in a bowl. Yeah, these little bits of onion, they really... I want another bite. This is totally like what I've been in the mood for lately, is some dry noodle. Now the other one that they sent was sesame. So I'm just curious to see what that one's like. Usually sesame in Taiwan ends up being not like sesame oil, but sesame paste. Yeah, awesome. Okay. So what do I do? Well, my first thought is an egg. Because eggs is good. Gotta have an egg right there. See, it's like a little couple. And we got some spring onion. Then I'm gonna go for some chili oil, which is probably gonna end up being overkill with what else I'm putting on it, but a little bit of oil. And then I got this stuff. Spicy chili crisp. I'm like a huge fan of this stuff. I found out about it, what, a month ago? And it's just like, yeah, I really, really like this stuff. It's super good. But you just like slap on like a big old glop of it on anything, and not that this stuff really needs like any work. It's quite good, but oh yeah, that makes me happy. You know, just like dip the egg in it. And finally, some sesame seeds, because that just looks nice. And there we are, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna push this a little more like that. Yeah. Cool. Alright, well, it's time to make this thing spin around, so Let's do it. Alright, well cool. Thanks to the folks at Little Couples for shooting this over. This is the Little Couples Dry Noodles onion variety. Yeah, good stuff. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.